right, guys, we're here in the pits down here at the Winner's Circle with John and Gabriel Gulotta, the father-son duo, the man that takes the young gun everywhere here. John, you are one of the young guns of the CMRA. You're up and coming. You're putting pressure on a whole lot of the veterans and the experts here. You look. You look sharp this weekend. Tell me about your racing this weekend. What was your best finish and what battles do you have this weekend?
My best finish was today, race 11. I got second place. I had a lot of fun battling Burleson's. Klesel, yes. Having fun with Klesel, battling Klesel through the whole shot and leading with the first race. Had a lot of fun, learning a lot of things. I was taking the wrong lines, third gear in the S's, shifted up to fourth, but I'll take a lot of time off. Went from a 25, 23, 21 today.
Nice, down to the 21's cool.
Yeah.
I've been running around, haven't been able to check the timing. That's awesome, man. Dude, you've come so far so fast.
I'm having so much fun.
And that's the key, having fun. That's what club racing's all about. Dad, Gabriel, tell me about this kid. How proud are you?
Johnny learned so quickly, so fast. We must have talked through the track 50 times yesterday. Watching him follow the lines of the leaders, watching him learn, all of the older guys teaching him. It's a big family here, and John didn't do this by himself. He's on the shoulders of more experience, and they helped him. And we got a second place, a third place, and a fourth place, our first time here. And Josh, you helped us out tremendously. We're having a blast. If you could come out here, you're gonna have a blast.
John, goals for the future, man. I know there's something you're working towards. Tell us what you're going to try to do.
I'm really going to try to beat Klesel. I need to follow him. I need to follow this line, really learn, change the geometry of my bike, suspension. We're still all figuring it out. I'm running SC2s still. It should be on SC1s. I'm losing the front in the turns, but it's all thankful to him. Like, he's my best sponsor.
Together we work it out.
Together we're the best.
Well, it sounds like you need some sponsors and some money for tires, man. So all the people out there in Radioland that are listening,
great idea.
we have...
Plus, giving me a brand new suit, looks
Plus
amazing,
racing gear,
fully customizable. DP brakes.
Eddie Tran hooking us up, man. Thank you.
All right. What about Moto America one day?
I'm thinking if I'm getting fast enough, trying to keep up with Klesel next year, I'm going to try Moto America.
Yeah, we're graduating high school early. We're going into flight school, so we won't have a schedule. We can drive to these places. And
Still
John,
in public school.
yeah, we're open to it.
John, it's been a pleasure watching you ride and seeing you all the time, and big things in the future for this man right here. John, Gabriel Gulotta, thank you.